To ensure the highest quality fiber optic connection, proper handling and maintenance is crucial. The reason is simple. The cleaner the fiber connector, the stronger the signal. When handling and installing fiber optic connectors, make sure the fiber end face and ferrule are absolutely clean before use. Dust, lint, oil, and other particles on the connector end face can easily compromise the optical signal. For example, here's a 400 times visual inspection of a clean fiber optic connector. Notice how clear the image is, void of any particles and contaminants. Now let's see what it looks like if we touch the end of the connector. It is clear to see how easily the connector end face can be compromised. So, how do you clean the optical connection? We're going to take you through the process step by step. Often overlooked, the adapter that the connector is attaching to needs to be cleaned as well. Within the adapter, there's a ceramic split sleeve that needs to be clean of contaminants. Remove the protective cap from the adapter. Using an alcohol moistened swab, insert the swab in the adapter and clean it with a back and forth motion. After removing the protective cap of the fiber optic connector, gently wipe the end face with an appropriate fiber connector cleaner, such as a lint-free wipe with isopropyl alcohol. If using alcohol, wipe it a second time with a dry tissue to remove the alcohol residue. Another option is to use a reel type cleaner, which uses a dry disposable tape. Either of these methods will provide acceptable results. Ideally, you should use a magnification scope to inspect the connector before installing it in the network. While inspecting the connector, the fiber should be absent of any particles or scratches. Before mating a connector in the network, make sure both connectors have been cleaned. A contaminated connector will transfer to another in the mating process. Simply follow the same process for both connectors before mating. If your connector is attaching to a device that doesn't allow access to the connector, such as a transceiver or test equipment, use of a semi-automatic connector cleaner is a valuable tool for cleaning the interior connector end face. A properly cleaned fiber optic connection will ensure the lowest insertion loss and highest return loss of the fiber optic connector, which will provide optimum performance for your fiber optic network. So, here are a few reminders on how to ensure your connectors maintain the highest quality connection every time. Cover connectors when not in use with a protective cap. Always clean the adapter prior to inserting the fiber optic connector. Properly clean both connectors of your fiber optic connection every time prior to mating them in the adapter. So remember, a clean connection is a quality connection.